Hello guys, I'm Paras, the Options Guy, and welcome back to my channel. And if you see this week, market seeing very good sell-off in the last day of the week over here, right? Markets, yes, did see some more sell-off before that, but in the last day, the sell-off really got exacerbated, both in Bank Nifty and Nifty, right? And especially in Nifty. Just look at that candle, right? So what can we do for this week? And also, if you see, May has started, that means there are just 29 days, actually 30 days left for election results to come, right? So definitely get very cautious over here, right? Now is the time where volatility will start getting higher and higher until the election results are announced. And if you see, India VIX definitely telling us that the volatility will be on the higher side after this 20% fall in a single day. Markets basically India VIX basically recovered in a straight line, and I am expecting that India VIX will go to 20 in the next 2 to 3 weeks very easily, right? So definitely keep your quantity less. Now is the time to go light. Whenever we do get momentum, definitely we will take a trade over there. But if you're not getting momentum, please do not go very heavy on your targets, or please do not even go very heavy on your quantity, right? So definitely, if you see in the weekly charts, Bank Nifty not looking very good. Bank Nifty went above this trend line, and now it has closed below this trend line. Now does that mean that the market has become negative all of a sudden? Are we going to see a sell off? No, but I'm going to tell you a few points which happens before elections, right, which can give you a little bit of a hint. Talking about Nifty is also not looking very good because of this candle. The candle that has been made in Nifty in the weekly chart is showing that Nifty is not ready to go up. And even if Nifty goes up, it's better to take a selling position at higher levels than taking a buying position, because it looks like the market wants to go down first and then start to come up, right? And this can happen before the elections, where the market goes down first. We see a good amount of sell off in the market, and then from lower levels we again see buying coming in the market, right? So both of the indices are telling us that rather than buying at higher levels, it's better to take a selling position at higher levels. Now again, I'm not talking about stocks or anything about investments are a very different thing, and your investments will definitely get affected more by the election results rather than the daily momentum of the market. So if you're talking about elections, this is not about the view of elections. This is about this is purely a view for trading purposes. How and where can you take a trade? Now talking about Bank Nifty, until unless we go above 49,000 basically 500, it's better to take a short position at higher levels. Why am I saying so? Is because this actually not even 49,500 but 49,300, right? Above 49,300 is where we will see a good amount of buying coming into the market, right? Until then there will be a bit of pressure. And if you see, Bank Nifty went above this trend line over here, but Bank Nifty could not sustain above this trend line. And so until unless we are also not above this trend line, we can also take a short position over here for a lower low formation to be formed in the market. Why am I saying so? That there could be a lower low formation in the market is because whenever the elections are coming in, there is a lot of uncertainty that starts to come in the market. Yes, we know that a lot of people are saying that BJP will come again into power, but still elections are a thing that carry a lot of uncertainty with them. So definitely a lot of people who have invested, maybe at lower levels, maybe even like at these lows or something, at any place over here, they will start to book their profits at higher levels, right? Because they're getting the market near all time high. So they definitely would want to book their profits before the elections, maybe then invest after the elections, right? So again, over here, until and unless we are not seeing very good buying in the market, we will think about taking a short position only at higher levels, right? Because it looks like the market wants to do a little bit of sell off, and after that the market maybe wants to start to move up after the election results are out, or maybe until the election day comes, the results day of election comes in, right? So what can you do? What you guys can do over here is that 49,000 to 240 to 250 or 250 to 200, this range will be very important. If you are seeing that market is getting stuck in this range and market has started to make negative price action from there, you guys can go ahead and take a short position at higher levels from there. Because if you see, the US markets have closed in the green, pretty good closing in the green, right? So if we, so chances are we will open with a gap up somewhere near 49,000 also, but we will not take a short position over here. Rather, we will wait for the markets to come near 49,200 to 250. And if we are seeing that the market then is taking a good amount of resistance from that level, then we'll go ahead and take a short position from that level. Our first target will be 48,900, and then you can keep higher targets till lower levels till 48,500. But I would say to book your profits fast in this type of environment, at least until the election is out of the way, because there will definitely be days like this where there will be a lot of volatility, even like this. So even if the market is going into your way, try to book some profits. Do not hold your entire quantity, at least until the market becomes more stable after the elections, because the elections are close. So definitely, as I said, the volatility will be on the higher side. If you somehow open with a gap down, which will not happen, but still if you open with a gap down, let's just say we do near 48,500, which is still a 1% gap down, then rather than taking a selling position over here, we'll think about taking a buying position from 48,500 to 48,400 area, because market will take a little bit of bounce from here. As I said, volatility will be higher. There will not be a straight one-sided momentum in either side. Please do not get me wrong when I say that we'll sell at higher levels, that means market is going completely bearish. I'm just saying that it is not the right time to be or ultra bullish or anything on the market. So if you open with a gap down near somewhere near 48,500 to 400, and if you are seeing market is making positive price action in 15-minute chart, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here till 48,700 first of all, and then 48,850 on the upside. Those will be your two targets. If we open flat, then we'll do nothing, at least until market sustains below 48,700 for 15 to 20 minutes. If that happens, then you guys can go ahead and take a short position till 48,500 on the downside. That is a trade that you can take. On the upside, you can't really take any trade because there are many resistances on the upside which will not give you a very smooth trade over here. So on the upside, if you open flat, can't really take any trade. On the downside, as I said, we can definitely take a trade once we sustain for 15 to 20 minutes below 48,700. That's it. That is for Bank Nifty. Nifty, if you see, is looking much more bearish as compared to Bank Nifty. The candle that Nifty has made is definitely indicating that this is not the place where you should take a bullish trade, and at least until and unless 22,800 is broken. And even if that level is broken, I think chances are that we can see a bit of a bull trap being made at higher levels, right? Somewhere near 22,900 or 23,000 levels, right? 22,900 I think will act as a good resistance over here. But still, we will see if that acts as a resistance or not once the market reaches near that level, because again, market is still 400 points away from that level, so it is pretty far away from that level, right? So for Nifty, the level is 22,600, 22,600 to 650. In this zone, if you see that market has started to make negative price action, then you guys can go ahead and take a short position in this area, because market will again take some good resistance from there, and then again market can see some sell off. Your target then will be 22,500 on the downside, and then the second target can be 22,400 to 350 at lower levels, right? These can be your two targets for Nifty if you get Nifty somewhere near 20,600 to 650. In this area is where we will think about taking a short position again. I know that market is opening at an all-time high, near an all-time high with a gap up, but still I think if you are seeing some weakness in the market, it's better to take a bullish trade. It's better to take a bearish trade rather than a bullish trade. Even if you want to take a bullish trade, think about taking a bullish trade at lower levels like 22,300. If market comes near 22,300 and then the market is taking support, maybe making a double bottom formation, or the market has started to make positive price action, then you can go ahead and take a bullish trade from this level, but with a small target of only 22,400. Please do not keep a big target in Nifty, especially for bullish trades, because Nifty is even more weaker as compared to bank nifty. So definitely don't look out for taking bullish trades in nifty, at least as of now. If we see some bullishness in nifty in the coming week, then we will think about taking a bullish trade. But until then, we will not think about taking bullish trades in nifty, rather take bullish trades in bank nifty if you want to, right? But this week I am expecting a little bit of sell off that can come in the market. So at higher levels, it's best to take a short position rather than taking a long position for targets to lower levels. Now, where can we go till at lower levels? Till where can we go? So if, let's say, we start taking resistance from higher levels and we break 22,300, then for nifty 22,000 and 21,800 are the immediate targets that can easily come at lower levels. Please do not think that they are very far, that nifty is strong. These levels can easily come in nifty, and nifty can easily drift down from there, I think, because whenever there is a good selling that starts in the market will not take a long time. We will see some sell off like this, maybe some sell off like this also, where market will come down very fast. And bank nifty also can easily come down till 47,500, 47,000 levels, no problem in that, right? So again, if bank nifty does be a little, if bank nifty does show some strength, then we can see maybe bank nifty coming down till 48,000 to 47,600 levels. But still, there is a good scope of sell off in both the indices over here, especially after this candle that has been made. So at higher levels, it's best to take a short position rather than taking a long position. So yeah, guys, that was it for this week. As I said, this month overall, please keep your quantity very light, please keep your position very light, book fast targets, because this month will be very volatile and holding your positions for a long time will not be very pleasant, right? If we do somehow get any sort of positional trades, because I'm not saying that every day there will be volatility, every day the market will move up down up down up down, no, that will not happen. But still, you can see certain spikes coming in the market, like the one that we saw over here, right? You can definitely see spikes like this coming in the market, where the market moves up and down very fast, or talking about bank nifty, spikes like this coming in the market, right? Or maybe even spikes like these spikes will be much much more common as we get closer to the elections, right? So yeah, guys, please keep care of your capital over here, because volatility will be very high. After the elections, volatility will start to cool down, and then we can go more aggressive. If you can think about taking a break for 1 month for trading, even that is fine. But yes, and if you want to be ultra sure about your trades, only take very less trades, right, that you're completely sure about. I mean, nobody can be completely sure about a trade, but only take those trades with which you have very high degree of certainty that they will be profitable, right? So yeah, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.